Okay. So the first thing I want to do, number 6, is what?
Multiply or divide.
Multiply or divide. But we don't have multiplication, so we want to do the division then. So we have 40 divided by negative 5. Okay, 40 divided by negative 5. I have different signs. So I know that my quotient is going to be what?
Negative.
Negative. Very good. Negative. So 40 divided by negative 5 becomes what?
8. Negative 8.
Negative 8. Very good. Negative 8. Okay. So now I'm not done. I still need to bring down the plus 30. So plus 30. Okay. What kind of problem do we have here? Adding integers with what?
With different signs.
Very good. Okay. Adding integers with different signs. Okay. And what's my rule for adding integers with different signs? What's the rule for adding integers with different signs? Different signs. Okay. So the rule for adding integers with different signs is keep the sign of the large absolute value. Very good. And then?
With a bigger number.
And then what do we do? What's the second step?
Second step. Subtract the absolute values.
Very good. Subtract the absolute values. Very good. Okay. So if I look at both of these numbers, okay, the absolute value of negative 8 is 8. The absolute value of 30 is 30. What sign am I going to keep? The positive or the negative?
Positive.
Positive. Very good. The positive. Okay. Well, and then it says to subtract the absolute value. So what's 30 minus 8?
22. 22.
22. Okay. So my answer becomes 22. Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. Let's practice another problem. Practice number 7. So we have negative 39 divided by 3 minus 15. Okay, what's the first thing that we want to do?
Divide.
Divide. Very good. Negative 39 divided by 3. So what's negative 39 divided by 3? Well, it's different signs. So I know my answer is going to be negative. Okay, so what is negative 39 divided by 3?
13.
Negative 13. Negative 13. Don't forget the negative. Okay, so now we're going to bring down whatever we haven't used. In this case, it's the minus 15. Negative 13 minus 15. Okay, what kind of problem do we have here?
KCC.
Okay, very good. Subtracting integers. Okay, we're subtracting integers. We're going to be using KCC. Okay, so I'm going to do KCC. So what does my new problem become?
Negative 13 plus negative 15.
Very good. Negative 13 plus negative 15. Okay, so now, okay, we have adding integers with the same sign. Adding integers with the same sign. What's my rule for same signs? Adding integers with the same signs.
Add, keep the sign.
Very good. Add and keep the sign. So we're going to add them. What's 13 plus 15?
28.
28. And we're going to keep the sign. What sign do they both have?
Negative.
Negative. So my answer becomes negative 28. Negative 28. Okay, very good.